The euro continued to gain in value gradually, whereas the pound sterling jumped in an attempt to catch up with a single currency. Such a dynamic could be partly explained by the ongoing technical rebound. However, a revision of the US inflation outlook is the main driver of the rise in the currencies. On a Friday, analysts believed that the consumer price growth would accelerate to 3.8% from a 3.7%. However, at the weekend, the outlook was downgraded to 3.3%. If the predictions come true, the likelihood of one more key rate hike by the Federal Reserve will decline to 0. Against this backdrop, traders may see a key rate cut at the beginning of the next year. This fact may influence market sentiment and cause a decline in the greenback. In other words, the euro and the pound sterling may have every chance to continue growing. Now let us focus on the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair has been trading sideways within a 50 and 70 point range for a week already. As there are no considerable changes, the situation could be described as an accumulation process. In this case, there are two key levels. The level of 1.0650 will be considered in the case of a downward scenario. At the same time, a breakout of 1.0750 will point to the prolongation of the upward cycle. Notably, the euro is also appreciating thanks to the macroeconomic data from Germany, and thus the recent report unveiled that Germany's economic sentiment reached an 8-month high. We may assume that the eurozone's largest economy is getting back on track, which may soon lead to a recovery in the industrial and consumer sectors. Today, investors were also estimating the situation in the UK labour market. Reports showed a slowdown in the average earnings rise, which points to a possible slackening in inflation. If this forecast plays out, the Bank of England will hardly raise the key rate in the near future. In this light, the British pound may change its strength. However, at present, the news isn't just keeping the pound's growth against the weakening US dollar. Earlier today, the pound sterling rebounded from a 1.2200 against the US dollar, thus boosting the number of long positions. As a result, the quote climbed above 1.2270. If the price consolidates above 1.2300, it may increase to 1.2350 and 1.2400. However, fundamental factors are likely to favor peers. If the price settles above 1.2270, it may drop. In the event of this, the level of 1.2270 will act as a resistance. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.